So what's up guys, today nga pala guys is February 14. So tawag dito, may ganap ngayon sa school guys, mga booth like jail booth, yung mga photo booth, freedom wall, para mag-confess sa mga crush nila. So yun, papayata ko sa inyo yung kaganapan sa University of Perpetual Health System Laguna tuwing February 14. So ngayon, naka-uniform na tayo. Friday nga pala ngayon guys. Tapos yan, ang masama lang, medyo makulimlim. So tara, alis na tayo dahil ang call time natin is 6:11. And nga pala, tutulong tayo sa paggawa ng jail boot kasi kapartner natin dun yung criminology. So yun, nautical lens nga pala tayo, so kailangan natin tumulong din. So guys, alis na tayo guys. Tignan nyo guys, so ang kulimlim oh. So guys, yun, inabutan ako ng ulan sa biyahe guys. Medyo basa ako. Medyo yung lagay ng ulan. Medyo may lang naman lang siya, pero wala eh, nakakapasa ako talaga. Para siyang atomized lang na patak, pero biglang biglang lumalaki yung drops eh. Kaya tumabi muna tayo dito. So what's up guys, andito na tayo ngayon sa University of Perpetual Health System guys. Yan, nasa parking tayo, kakarting lang natin yan. Medyo basa nga lang ako. Yung pants ko okay naman, nga lang yung pantaas ko medyo basa. Tara, punta na tayo sa building namin. So guys, may meeting dapat ng 6. Yun yung briefing sa gagawin ko. So ako, hindi na ako naka-attend dahil 7 na. Inulan pa kasi ako eh. Tumigil pa tayo guys. So nagsabi naman na tayo sa superiors natin na ganun yung nangyari. May nagpo-football dito guys oh. Tamang football lang sila dyan oh. Yan nga pala yung building namin guys, yan. College building. So guys, aakit muna ako sa office namin para ilagay itong gamit ko. Then, baka nasa quadrangle na sila gumagawa ng boot. So, hahabol tayo guys. So guys, as expected guys, nasa baba na nga sila. So yun, super late. Yun yung crush ko guys oh. So guys, alitin na tayo guys sa Perez guys oh. Perez, ay ka sa vlog ko. Yan o, nag-aayos na sila dyan guys. Lagnab. Guys, nandito yung crush ko guys. Sobrang cute niya guys. Siya guys oh. Hinahan ko lang boses ko kasi tao dito. Ito mga to. Mayroon ka na dyan. Okay, isa sa mga palaro namin to guys, Daki oh. Ang kita sa mga vlog eh. So guys, nasa gilid natin siya guys. Nice. Ayan siya guys.
Ano yung nilalagay ko? Napatol mo ito. Ay, dalawa. Papas mo yan, no? Push up. Push up pa.
Anong question guys? Para sa mga pupunta sa booth namin. Busy lahat dito guys. Nagawa sila dyan. Bubura dyan. Ito, ayan. Sila lahat. Naglalaro na sila guys oh. tayo?
Wala tayo.
Sa Ibayan.
Tayo lang walang poster.
Sobrang busy nila. So guys, nasa tabing booth lang natin yung booth ng ano.
Oh, naglalog pala si Doc Vlogs.
Oh, shout out.
Doc Vlogs.
So guys, almost start na ng event guys.
Oh, every time I see you 그대 눈을 볼 때면 자꾸 가슴이 또 설레어와 내 운명이죠.
By our departments, our different college departments.
So guys, may magpe-perform na guys, mga estudyante din. So guys, nag-i-start na yung ano guys, event guys. Ito mga kasama natin, Sir Minimo. Pogi rin to. Ang pangalan mo? Castillo. Yan, Cecilio. Ito kasama natin ah. Guys, may nag-a-avail na ng booth namin guys. Isa lang yan sa mga booth guys. Ngayon yung mga booth guys. Ito yan. Isa pa yan.
Welcome po kayo sa ating booth, sa jail booth po na nabuhutago natin Sea of Love, Balls of Justice. Hindi, joke lang po. But, ayan, kung ako sa inyo, in a bit, huhulihin kayo na ating mga criminology officers. So,
Guys, ongoing pa rin yung event guys. Gaya ng inasa. Yan. So guys, yung crush natin guys dito sa harap ko. Grabe guys, sobrang ganda niya guys.
Stop it. Get some help.
So guys, muli na kami ng mga naka-perpetual blue na t-shirt. Picture daw kami. Sino ba? Kami dalawa. So guys, may nahuli na guys. Eto, may nahuli pa oh.
Yeah, parang ang dumi na lens.
So guys, sobrang saya ng event guys. Sobrang saya dito guys. Yun. Hindi ko na makakalimutan.
Jackson, Uno cards. I'll be your best friend, and you'll be my Valentine. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to, 'cause I wanna hold yours too. We'll be playmates and lovers and share our secret worlds. But it's time for me to go home. It's getting late and dark outside. I need to be with myself.
about being here today. Still not real sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time.
Kiss! Kiss!
You see in this box is a ring for both. She's my everything, and all that I know is it'd be such a relief if I knew that we were on the same side. Very soon I'm hoping that I can marry your daughter. Yes, mama. Her to be the girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. I'm gonna marry a princess, make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful girl I've ever seen. Can't wait to smile. She walks down the aisle on the arm of her father. On the day that I marry his daughter. She's been here every step since the day that we met. So don't you ever worry about me ever treating her bad. I've got most of the best done so far. And till death do us part, there's no doubt in my mind. It's time, I'm ready to start. I swear to you with all of my heart, I'm gonna marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the young girl that I love for the rest of my life. Give her the best of me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I've ever seen. I can't wait to smile as she walks down the aisle on the arm of her father. On the day that I marry your daughter. The first time I saw her, I swear I knew that I'd say I do. I'm gonna marry your daughter and make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that